Hello guys, in this video we'll be navigating through this website UiPath Career and we'll be extracting table out of it which contains first column as job details, second column location, third column categories which do not see function, and this extracted table will be written into the Excel sheet. So as we are going to write into Excel sheet, I've already created a Excel sheet, new Excel sheet with no data set and UiPath job details, and we are going to write the extracted table into this Excel sheet. So let us start the automation. Since we are using UiPath Career Detail, it is a browser activity, so we have to use application or browser activity here and indicate the browser. Hmm, One sec. So we'll be indicating our browser. After indicating our browser, we'll be extracting table out of it. As a first step, we have to give add data, and this will be your first column containing job details like senior product manager, business analyst, finance. So this will be acting as your first column. Give confirm. This URL is not required and name it as job details. So save it. So this will be your first column. So your second column will be your location. Name it and save it. You can notice that after indicating location or global manager, all the other locations or all the other job details below it are indicated. So it means that the first job details consist of a column, the second location consists of a column, and now we have going to start with the third column. We are going to include with third column, which is categories. So name it as categories. So that is how we have completed table. So we can preview it. Okay, everything looks fine. And now we have to give next button because we not only expect whatever details available in this page, we also expect all details available in all the pages through this web page. So we are going to give next button. So using next button option, we can indicate the next button in the UiPath table creation. So indicated the next button. So what this next button does is after extracting table from this first page, it will be going to the next page and again does the same thing, extracting all these details, same three columns, and again it goes to the next page. This is the purpose of giving a next button here. So we have extracted the table and we limit it to maximum number of rows to up to 20 rows. Okay. So everything is fine. We can save it. So now we extracted our data and this data have to be table data have to be saved into a variable. Let us name this variable as UI carrier details. Done with that. Now we have to use Excel activity because we have to open Excel file. Drag and place it over here. Indicate the location of the Excel file. Let it to be reference. Let me reference it as Excel itself. One sec, it's loading. So I have saved in desktop. So navigate to desktop, UiPath job details, open. So we name it, reference it to as Excel, and we have to save the changes or save the file after the data have been written. And if not present, I have already created the Excel file. If you haven't created the Excel file, you have just paste it and say create if not exist. So what happens is if it doesn't, if the file haven't created yet, it will be creating the file and then proceeding through the process of writing table. So to write table, we'll be having a write database into Excel activity. Sorry, data table into Excel activity. So what to write is the data table. You have a career details, and where to write is in the Excel sheet 1. So we want headers, so we are not excluding headers, and that's all. We have completed our automation. It's time to run it. Before that, we'll close this browser. After the automation was done successfully, let us open this Excel file and see whether the details have been written into the file. We can see the job details have been written into the file. So this is how automation is done by extracting table from the browser and writing into the Excel.